Ladies, I'm so excited because I've never done a hair review before. This is going to be my first time, and I'm so happy to share it with you. This particular hair is 16 inches, kinky coily, and I really love it. It's so soft, the texture is really amazing. My god. It's 180 density and it's from Amanda hair. Like it looks like 250 density. The hair is so full. It's flawless and the price is also very affordable. One thing I love about this hair is it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The color is very nice. Not only does it come with clips, it also comes with adjustable straps and a band, so it will definitely be secured on your head. I'll be making a second video about how I style this hair, but before that, let's jump into the second wig. So I got the second wig in a body wave 16 inches. I believe it also comes pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-bleached. I got it in 16 inches. It's a bob wig. It's very nice, very soft. The camera is not doing justice to this wig. I wish you were there to just feel the softness of it. The price is very affordable. Just go to Amanda Hair and then check their sales. They're doing Black Friday sales. Just order yours and thank me later. Just see the curls. I haven't styled it, but look at the curls. It's so nice. It also comes with this adjustable strap, and if you want to do it like a 360 thing, you can use that one. And it comes with the, I don't know how they call this one. I haven't done a hair review before, but I bet you this hair is nice. Just get it and thank me later. Check my next video out. I'm going to be posting a next video about how I style this hair. Stay tuned and bye. I almost forgot to tell you guys that it also came with some gifts. I got some HD wig caps, I got some eyelashes, I got I think hair bonnet, and I also got a hairband. It came with so many gifts and you're going to love it. Just go to amandahair.com and then check their sales, and I bet you will never regret going there. They are doing sales Black Friday. Run before you hear sold out. Look at this body wave. I haven't styled it, but look at how beautiful it is. I will style it in my next video, so don't forget to stay tuned. Click on the notification bell. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'll be bringing new content every week. Okay, bye.